Welcome our to Papa Format Fashion and Beauty Products. Come with me. Hi ladies.
Hi, welcome.
Kopoa. Good to find you.
Welcome.
Format Fashion and Beauty.
Yeah.
This is the place.
Yes.
What do you do?
We are new here in Rimuru.
Yes.
But we have been in the industry for almost 3 years. And we are currently having offers for this Valentine.
Wow.
Like this dress, which is new in market.
Yes.
And we have this handbag ladies. We also sell men jerseys.
Yeah.
In variety. You see,
kama hii ni gani? Manchester team kubwa manze. Ai watu wangu. Team kubwa manze. Weka mawe. Wale wa Arsenal.
Arsenal.
The best teams in the world. But sasa hii ni bei gani?
Ibei ni negotiable. Tunauza bao and ni home kit for now. Tulikuwa na the away kit which are size imeisha.
Yes.
But we have also the Chelsea jersey which are coming this week. So karibu Format and fashion beauty products. We have a variety of them. Kuna hadi tracksuit kadhaa.
Yes.
Kuna beauty products, refill perfume.
Oh nice.
Regular perfume. Na tunaweza kulipia na 100 shillings. Yes.
So watu wangu kamuni manze.
We also do online delivery countrywide.
Yes.
Rimuru tuko na rider. So karibuni fashion yetu.
Manze.
Fashion with us.
Manze watu wangu.
Karibuni customer. Hapa ndipo.